Hello, morning. Morning. As a teacher, we've got to find ways to prepare children for life in modern Britain, where they're going to meet people who are Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, or have no faith, or have different families, sexualities, and they can go out into the world confidently, knowing that they can live and work anywhere. In Parkfield School, I think it's 98.9% Muslim at the moment. A big challenge for us is teaching our children that there are different people out there. Hey, cried Raccoon and Skunk. That's so much better, said Badger. This place is badgery brilliant. In the UK today, there has been a sharp rise in racist and religious hate crime. There is also across Europe the rise in the far right. So this is a resource that helps schools and gives schools a framework through which to teach children that we're all different, but actually that's fantastic.
What's that colour there?
Well, I've just done a lesson in with 4-year-olds. It's about different fishes who are different colours, but they're friends. It's as simple as that when we say hello to each other.
Hello, hello.
Oh, they're smart as well! Fantastic, give them a clap! Oh, that is brilliant.
And then we sing a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 4, 9, 2. What? I said fish? No deer here. No deer here. In year 5, we talk about how do you stop someone being racist? Someone doesn't understand about no outsiders. What can you do? I want us to practice. What would you do if you were an animal in that forest and badgers going, no deer here, or badgers are best? If you hear someone saying, you know, you don't belong here, well, what do you do about that? You've got children who are confidently talking about we're all different, but we all get along.
It's better to be together than to be alone with your own type. There was a young girl that was new to our school and she looked quite different to other children, and Mr. Moffat had an assembly. He told us that even if you're different, that's no reason to be mean to others.
Good morning. There you go. Your first job, children, is to tell your adult what is No Outsiders all about. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Off you go. I'm developing it now by involving parents and the community, because in schools children are very confident about what No Outsiders means. But what about outside? Because what we don't want is to have children saying one thing and at home saying something completely different.
There are some challenges, but I think we can overcome these challenges when we do this type of gatherings. Yeah, we tell the children, so we can overcome them.
This is important for everyone living together. So I find this is very good for children, for future.
I'm a badger and I am perfect.
I think his teaching methods are different to what you would class as a normal lesson.
The wood's starting to feel a bit more badgery already.
He's stepping outside the boundaries. They're the people that are going to go on and grow up and have jobs and become teachers and become doctors, and I think it's really important that he's putting those thoughts into their minds now at a young age, so they grow up and they go to secondary school thinking that they can be who they want to be, and so can everyone else around them.
I want to take No Outsiders to a global stage. And I'm going to fight for diversity because it works.